YouTube, Eden Droid here, and this is my second video in the sequence, and in this video I'm going to review the second application called TuneWiki. And here we go. Now I really love this application because it incorporates a lot of different things. It's just not only the music player, you can actually share it. It's a social music player. You can share the lyrics, you can see who is playing what, where, when. It's actually an FM radio as well, and there's a lot of social stuff that you can do on this application. So let me just go into the music part of it, and let me start with let's just select any song. Okay, so here we go. We have the song here, and see it now. It's actually similar to TD Pod, however it has much more features in it. You can see the lyrics. If you swipe here and there, it's actually going to play the song previous or the one that's forward. I don't have any song on the playlist, therefore it will keep on playing the same thing. Now if you click here, if you give one click, you can actually map the song, which means wherever people in the world are actually listening to it. I think only I am listening to it right now. And you can sing the lyrics. Now by singing the lyrics, it sings the lyrics with the song. See? Tap after each line is sung. So you can actually sing it by yourself, but I'm not gonna do that. Okay, other than that, you can click here, you can go to the different albums, you can see what songs you have playlist. It's like a normal music player that you see, just with this added on feature that you can share it. Okay, now other than this, I want to show you these other things. You can have radio station. See, shout out radio is actually shoutcast, sorry, is actually synced with this. So if I just tap on a player and I listen to it, I can actually listen to radio using the same application. I don't need to install any other. Have video streaming. What more would you want? Let's do a video streaming. Let's find Katy Perry. Yeah, I just find something of Katy Perry on YouTube. It searches video on YouTube. I mean, it has everything in it. Okay, you got some video. Okay, why don't you guys just check the feature yourself? My internet is really slow right now. Okay, so it actually has a radio shoutcast. Sorry, I don't know, I cannot pronounce it properly. Shoutcast radio. Yeah, it has shoutcast radio in sync with it. It has video in sync with it, which is a YouTube video. Oh, I have 4 local. It's actually a video player as well. Oh, how awesome is that? Yay! Awesome. Let's see if it works on auto rotation. I haven't tried it. Oh, it does. So okay, that was pretty cool. And then there is something called emoji.com, I guess. So I didn't go into it, so I'm not gonna go into it anyway. And it's their Facebook notification. What is Soundbox? Okay, so you need to, maybe they have an application and they will give you some latest news and everything. I'm not going into that as well. And then we have Song ID here. Now what Song ID does, it listens to the song that you're playing and its ID. And it identified the song. See? Okay. Pretty neat thumbnail as well. And you can buy the song. You can buy the song. You can do everything now. Definitely I'm not gonna buy it, not right now. I already have the song, but this is how it IDs it, which is pretty neat. And you can even search for lyrics here. It is your own music thing. You can see different charts from my country, from other countries, from the world, and so on. So all in all, it's actually a complete package, and it's something to love. So for it actually, but the only problem, yeah, I should mention, the only problem is it does not work on every mobile device, or on every Android. It didn't work for me on my Galaxy Mini. See if it works for you. It just worked for me once, and then I couldn't just get it on. So do try it. It's like the complete package. You wouldn't need any other music player after this. That was it for this video, and that was it for TuneWiki. For other videos in this series, please click on these links and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.